Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear students and audience. Welcome to Live with Hassan Akhtar. Our today's class from class 7, unit number 2. Today's exercise is 2.3. Let's proceed towards the first question, that is question number 2. Statement of the question: arrange the following in descending order. Part number 2, the values given 1 over 6, 3 over 4, 1 over 2. Dear students, how to start the solution? We are to first calculate the LCM of the denominators, that is number 2, number 4 and number 6. The process is explained on the right hand side, prime factorization method. We start from number 2, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Again from prime number 2, 1 remains same, 2 1s are 2 and 3 remains same. Now by number 3 we have 3 1s are 3. That makes our prime factorization complete. So our LCM becomes 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 12. This means in the solution we will make each denominator equal to 12. Solving the first one, considering it number 1, 1 over 6 can be converted into denominator 12 as 1 multiplied by 2 over 6 multiplied by 2. It becomes 2 over 12. Now taking the second value, that is 3 upon 4, to convert the denominator 4 into 12, we need to multiply by number 3. So multiplying by 3, both places, numerator and denominator, we have 9 over 12. Taking the third value, that is 1 over 2, to make the denominator 12, we need to multiply both places by number 6. So 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6, whereas 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. So we observe that 9 is greater than 6 is greater than 2. So 9 over 12 is greater than 6 over 12 is greater than 2 over 12. Hence our descending order will be 3 over 4, 1 over 2, 1 over 6. Please note that descend mean to come down. Your largest number will be written first of all, then smaller to that will come, then smaller than that. This means that smallest will fall in the end. Hope you understand. Next we have in the same exercise question number 3. Statement is arrange the following in ascending order. The student ascend mean to go up. You may say that it is the converse process of descending order. Here part number 2, the values are 4 over 5, 1 over 10, 2 over 15. Again, in our start of solution, we need to take the LCM of the denominators, that is number 5, number 10 and number 15. Process is explained on the right hand side. Working is shown by starting from prime number 2. 5 remains same, 2 5s are 10 and 15 remains same. Next can be divided by 3. So we have 5 remains same, again 5 remains same, whereas 3 5s are 15, and next by 5 we have the completion of this process of LCM by prime factorization. Now multiplying 2, 3 and 5, our LCM becomes 30. This means we will convert here each given fraction into denominator equal to 30. Starting with the first, 4 over 5 can be converted by multiplying both places with 6. So we have 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. Now 4 over 5 becomes 24 over 30. Now taking the second fraction, that is 1 over 10, very simple, multiplying both places by 3, we can take denominator as 30. So the result is 3 over 30. The last one, taking 2 over 15, multiplying both places by 2, we can make the denominator equal to 30. So our value becomes 4 over 30. Now we observe that 3 is less than 4 is less than 24. So 3 over 30 is less than 4 over 30 is less than 24 over 30. Hence our ascending order is 1 over 10, 2 over 15, 4 over 5. I already told ascend mean to go up, so smallest number comes first of all and the largest value falls in the end. Hope you all understand this easy kind of practice of ascending order and descending order. Thank you very much. Have a very nice time. Hope to see you with the next lesson.